Hello, my Ender 3 version 3 KE owners. Today we are going to add the version 3 KE profile to Creality Print. It's bizarrely easy. Here we are looking at Creality Print, and on the top right hand corner of the screen you will see the word Printer. Underneath Printer you will see a pull down menu. Simply pull this menu down by clicking on it and scroll to Add. Click on Add. You will be presented with this screen. On the left side, simply drop down the Ender series by pressing the plus button and locating Ender 3 version 3 KE. Click once on that and go ahead and click Add. Your Ender 3 version 3 KE came equipped with a 0.4 nozzle, so go ahead and press OK, and you are done. You now have an Ender 3 version 3 KE printer profile installed on Creality Print. Like any other printer, you have the ability to modify this profile as you feel fit per your model, and I do recommend doing so. On the right hand side, you do have two profiles, 0.1 and 0.2. Despite the fact they are called normal and high quality, I highly recommend working in 0.2. This is the resolution I personally use for all of my projects.